Hello, my name is Justin Siebold, and I am the assistant principal at Neo City Academy. And we were brand new to using Bulb as our school-wide digital portfolio this year. So I want to speak to our year one implementation, some of the things that we did that we found successful, and some things that we're going to work on going into year two as well.
As we were going into year one implementation, our first question was the rollout and how we're going to teach our students about Bulb and what the expectation was going to be as a student here at Neo City Academy with their digital portfolio. So last summer, summer 2020, I got together with a few students to talk about those questions, and from those conversations out came a Canvas course that basically highlighted all of the different pieces that students felt like were important to have in a digital portfolio, and we put that together. We worked our digital portfolios into our advisory program. So every student meets with their advisory teachers once a week. The topics they discuss in there range from anything from academics to social and emotional topics, but we also decided that the digital portfolio was going to be an important piece of the school, so we wanted to do that as well. Something that we're looking at adding into year two is a little bit more of a focus on the teacher aspect and how we can better integrate our teachers' understanding of the digital portfolios and how that feels more of like a natural transition into the stuff they talk about within class. At the end of the day, for our students here at Neo City, we want to be able to have them have a digital portfolio that speaks to some of the really impressive things they're doing here and be able to showcase that in a way that's just not like a transcript or just something that's just not a test score on paper, but things that they're doing that are meaningful to them, that they care about, and they can reflect on in terms of what they're learning and what they made mistakes on and ways they're improving. And the digital portfolio is really just a perfect place for our students to be able to capture all of those things. And so the last thing I kind of want to talk about is the school culture and how we kind of implemented that into our digital portfolio. We decide as a school that we are going to make this an extremely important piece of what we do here. We don't ask the students to do anything that does not have meaning in some form or fashion. So it's easy when it comes to the digital portfolio to have the meaning to it. Students are going to be using their digital portfolios as a means of something that they can put into college admissions to help them gain admissions into some top tier universities that some of our kids are going to want to apply to. We are looking at it from a perspective of ways to help our students stand out from the rest of the crowd. So I would encourage, if you're thinking about doing your digital portfolios for the first time, is to really think about it in terms of how it connects to the other pieces and things that you're doing on campus. And the one other thing that I really wanted to highlight is we do not put anything with the digital portfolio tied to a grade. That was not the intent from day one. With us, with the digital portfolio, we wanted to keep everything related to the digital portfolio very intrinsically motivated. We wanted students to be able to see and understand the importance of having a digital portfolio and its connection to the other pieces that they're doing here on campus and then and beyond.